Galaxy S24 finally gets stable One UI 8.5 update. Samsung has officially started rolling out the stable One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy S24 series. After months of beta testing, Samsung's 2024 flagship lineup is finally joining the stable release wave. One UI 8.5 first debuted earlier this year alongside the Galaxy S26 Ultra lineup, and now the software is making its way to older flagship devices starting with the Galaxy S24 family. The official rollout began on May 6th in South Korea, where Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra users have already started receiving the stable update. Samsung has also confirmed that the rollout will gradually expand to more regions over the next few days. This includes India, Europe, North America, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. The company spent several months running an extensive One UI 8.5 beta program. Testing initially started with the Galaxy S25 lineup before Samsung expanded the beta program to the Galaxy S24 series back in March. One UI 8.5 is not just another regular maintenance update. Samsung is bringing several Galaxy AI features introduced with the Galaxy S26 series to previous generation flagship devices. For Galaxy S24 users already running the beta version, the stable DZDP firmware is arriving as a smaller incremental patch update. Meanwhile, users upgrading directly from stable One UI 8.0 can expect a significantly larger OTA package. To install the update, users can head over to Settings, then Software Update, and tap Download and Install on their Galaxy S24 device. Since Samsung rolls out firmware in phases, availability may still vary depending on your region, carrier, and model variant. At the moment, the rollout is live in South Korea, where Galaxy S24 users are receiving the stable DZDP firmware package weighing around 4.5 gigs. Users who skipped the beta program and remained on stable One UI 8.0 are receiving a noticeably larger download size. That's it for today. What's your thoughts? And let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.